Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, this is Preetha and you are watching Dakshin Curry. With Gokulashtami or Janmashtami round the corner, we are definitely going to prepare a Naivedyam for Lord Krishna. Now poha was his real favorite item and we are going to make laddus using brown poha today. Let's see how to do it. So the first step is going to be making of the flour. So here I have a pan and I am going to add few drops of ghee. Now I have a mixture here of badam and pista and some cashews. You can add dry fruits of your liking. Now I am going to powder this too, which is why I am roasting it right now. And midway I am going to add the poha. Now if you don't have this brown rice or red rice poha, what you can do is you can also use your regular white rice poha. And now we are going to mix this till the poha gets a little crisp. So as you can see that even the poha has kind of shrunk. So at this stage I am going to switch off the flame and I am going to transfer it to a jar. We will allow this to cool a bit before we powder it. So while this cools down a bit, let's prepare our jaggery mixture. So again in the same pan, I am going to take very little water and I am going to add jaggery to it. And we are going to allow this to melt. So now the jaggery is also dissolved. I am going to switch off the flame and meanwhile let's powder the mixture here. Now depending on how you want your laddus, you can make a coarse powder or a fine powder. So our powder is ready and so is our jaggery mixture. So now let's complete making the laddus. Now in this jaggery mixture I am going to add raisins. I am going to add some cardamom powder. If you want you can also add nutmeg. We are just going to mix this well and I am going to add the poha mixture. So I am going to add all of this and I am going to add few drops of ghee in this again, and now we will mix this up and we are going to allow this mixture to cool down a bit till it's easy to handle and we can shape it into laddus. So the mixture has cooled down and if you feel that the mixture has become a little dry, you can use little bit of milk. I am just adding few drops of milk which I will be mixing in, and I am also going to be taking some ghee. So first we will mix this once. Let's take a portion and then shape it. So you can see this is ready. I am going to follow the same process for the rest of the mixture. So you can see it's fairly simple to make. If you don't want to use brown poha, then you can use the regular poha. And for Gokulashtami, I want you to make this recipe and let me know how it has turned out. If you have liked watching the video, do click on the like, share and subscribe button.